I just purchased it from the thrift store named Second Street. Very affordable smartphone for under 100 United States dollars. Be strong.
Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, anywhere you're at in the world. Today, follow me as I explore a hidden thrift store gem in Japan. Join me as I visit a cozy thrift store, as I said just now, in Japan, with super affordable prices and surprisingly high quality items. I've been searching for a used phone for the longest while, and I stumbled upon this store named Second Street. From stylish clothes to unique finds, this spot, trust me, it is perfect for anyone on a budget who still wants to look fresh. Believe it or not, just watch and see. Whether you're a fellow thrifter or just curious about shopping in Japan just like myself, this place won't disappoint. I said it won't disappoint. It will not disappoint. Just look at the items. They are of the highest quality. From phones, guitars, appliances, footwear, you name it, they are of the highest quality. And not only that, they are very affordable. Second Street in Japan. Continue watching, continue to like, share, and subscribe, of course. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember, our natural skincare business. Visit our business website, jamcaribhealthyglow.com. Something is there for each skin type. Continue to watch. As you can see, there are so many items that are of the highest quality. You can see the refrigerators. They look brand new, and I can bet you they are of the best quality. Even iron that I have seen in other stores for like 7,000 Japanese yen are selling in this store for as low as $1,000. Camera lenses, as you can see, headphone, as you can see, they are of the highest quality. Look at this Timberland. It looks brand new, and trust me, it is going for a very affordable price. Second Street is the place, and throughout my journey I'll be visiting some other thrift stores that are selling items that are of the highest quality and of course at an affordable price. Look at those winter jacket. Very good winter jacket. As I said earlier, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Have a good morning anywhere at in the world. Have a good afternoon. Have a good evening. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Trust me, I never know the second hand would be so nice. The quality top notch and the price, it sweet my soul. Trust me, Second Street really is the place to shop if you need second hand items. Second Street, miss it.